Hi, I'm here to show you a really simple charge controller. It's a really basic type of charge controller. Why buy a wind turbine or solar panel charge controller when you can build your own? If you're a DIYer or tinkerer, use this electronic controller to build your own inexpensive wind turbine or solar panel charge controller. It has up to 8 functions. The timing and the voltage are both fully programmable. Okay, this charge controller takes a 12 volt, 10 to 15 volt input, and it also has a voltage detection of 0 to 99 volts. But that must remain separate from the voltage input. So it works best with 12 volt battery banks. Okay, this controller right now is set up as a 12 volt charge controller, and it's designed to be able to operate external relays like 4-post, 440 amp relay, solid state relays. So right here it shows you your voltage, your battery voltage on the input, and we're at 12.7. So let's simulate when your battery gets full. All right. Battery's over 14.4 volts. The relay came on. I'm using this light as a demonstration as the power going to a relay and say a diversion load, resistors, DC water heating element. And let's take the voltage back down. Now your relay is off and your solar and wind goes back to charging, depending on the relay you have. You can use any one of our relays to activate, turn on and off your wind and solar or other DC loads. You've got solid state or mechanical relay, and these boxes are available to house the board in. Any of the other components or parts you've seen in this video are not included. Alright, keep in mind all you will be getting is the fully programmable electronic controller and the instructions. All of the other components in the video are not included unless specifically stated in the description. Thank you. Okay, this also works as a load controller, meaning that it will turn on, say, DC lighting like this when your battery is full, and it'll turn it off when it gets too low. This ships from the United States real quick. Thank you very much.